Everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new 2022 Hot Wheels Master Set. That's right, everything in there, including the Super Treasure Hunts, regular Treasure Hunts, and the mail-away cars that you get from all of the exclusive different stores. Stick around, we're going to open it up, see what's in there. Don't go away. Now, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to open this thing. You guys know that I always have difficulty opening stuff. So I finally learned how to do it the right way. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it upside down. And we're going to open it from the bottom. That way, you don't have to have issues picking it up. You might remember I had tore my shoulder up a while ago, just getting done with the rehab of that, so kind of hard for me. There we go, and there. And all we got to do is pick it up gently and slowly. Got a lot of vacuum in here. Da-da-da. Hey, there we go. Yeah. Got to have your styrofoam in there. Make sure that the top of the box had a little ding in it, but as you can see, no dings. So that's a good thing, and that styrofoam definitely helps. So is that outer packaging. Now on the top of the box it says factory sealed. All right, got the seal right there, and it says the number of your set. And mine is right up there, almost to the end. It says 1,250 sets. Man, I remember when they did like 400 and 500 and 700. And at one time, they weren't even selling them out. And now they got 1,250 sets, and they're selling out like that. So let's get the trusty fishing knife, open it up. Going to cut the seal and get to see all the cool stuff inside. Now, I always say this is probably the best way to get all your cars. I mean, if you can't get out there, you can't hunt, and some of the stores don't get all the cars, all the cases. So if you're able to, this is definitely a cool way to do it. Put away a few bucks every week, and by the time comes around the end of the year, I think this was like 600 bucks. So, and if you guys are super treasure hunt collectors, you're gonna spend that on super treasure hunts anyway, Plus the mail-in cars, those are what, 20 bucks? Because you got to buy 20 cars, and they're not. Well, you know what? They're not $1 anymore either. So, all right, you get this card, and it says Hot Wheels 2022 factory sealed set, and it says the Hot Wheels 2022 factory sealed set is one of no more than 1,250 sets produced for 2022. There are 454 cars in here. All right. Let's see. It says the Hot Wheels 2022 factory sealed set contains 7 vehicles in retail packaging and clamshell blisters, and those are the mail-away cars. We're going to look at them in a minute. It's the 85 Ford Bronco, the Nissan Skyline, the 70 Mustang Boss, the Alfa Romeo, Subaru Impreza, Porsche 356, and the Nissan Skyline C210. 2022 factory set carton, which contains 6 inner boxes, and each inner box contains 76 vehicles. Let's see, two of them contain 76 vehicles. One contains 73, one contains 72, one contains 82, and one contains 68. All right, so we're going to get into this. Put these over here on my candy dish. And again, all right, lots of paperwork, you know. So here is the first one. This is the 85 Bronco. And this is the Nissan Skyline. That's from the Legend series. We got that. I'm trying to think. I got that in LA at the Hot Wheels convention in last October. So put these over here on my desk. Take that styrofoam out. And we got even more. Here is the Nissan Skyline C210. The Porsche 356 Speedster. The Subaru Impreza WRX. The Boss Mustang, and that's a Zarnock car. Cool. Look at that. And the Alfa Romeo GTA, and there it is. Man, these are really, really cool. And again, like I said, you know, you got to buy 20 cars. You got to mail away for them. And you know, so right there you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, right? Yeah, $140 right there just for those cars, you know, for what you got to buy. Even at, like I said, a buck a piece. But all right, take that out. Now, each of these boxes there are 6 boxes. It says box 1 of 6. And you can see on the side there, and it says what is in each one of these. This says the Twinnin' and Winnin'. There's 2 of them in there, 2 Bone Shakers, Dodge Charger, 2 of the Bubble-Matic, 2 Tooligans, 2 See Me Rollin'. Each one of them are stated on the side here. But they do say that if it's a super treasure hunt, like the Dodge van down here, number 26, the Gotta Go, which is the regular treasure hunt, the Lay-In Lowrider is a new model. So each one of these cars that is in here, next to its name, it tells you what it's, you know, whether it's a new model or a super treasure hunt, or like the Custom Ford Bronco, which is an exclusive recolor. I have to look and see which one it is. You know, I wasn't able to get out there and get a lot of cars this year, so this is why it's good for me and a lot of other people. If you can't get out there, this is the way to get everything for the year. Let's we're gonna open up the seal. Yeah, we're gonna cut the seal, and there we go. Open it up. Now I'm gonna do more smaller videos, shorter videos with the cars, all the super treasure hunts, the regular hunts, the exclusive cars. Now remember a minute ago I said that there were 6 boxes, and each of the boxes had boxes inside. This is a box inside a box inside a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. And again, each one of these boxes, this is box 6 of box 1, and it says in here, Breaking Trails, custom small block, 2 of those, 69 Copo Corvette, and then 69 Copo Corvette exclusive recolor, Glory Chaser new model, and then Glory Chaser again, another color, I'm sure. Porsche. Let's see if we can find one that says, because I know you guys are chomping at the bit for a super treasure hunt. So, super treasure hunt. There you go. The 73 BMW 3.0. So let's see Now I got to tell you, you take these out of here, you better pay attention. You took them out, because they only go in one way. Alrighty. There. Cool. The McLaren F1 GTR, the GT Scorcher, the McLaren F1 GTR again, which recolor, the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth, 73 BMW 3.0 CSL race car Super Treasure Hunt. There it is. This, if you saw my other video with the Super Treasure Hunt set, I showed this here. Really nice. It is. I don't know if this is Spectre Flame Yellow or Spectre Flame Gold, but it's really cool. It's got a red plastic base on it. I would like at least to have the Super Treasure Hunts had metal and metal. You know what I mean? But what can you do? But yeah, this is really, really nice. Let's see what else in here. They're really, really cool. Here's the BMW again, and BMW again. Here is the three different variations of the BMW, yellow, red, and the Super Treasure Hunt. And what else is in there? Cool Bronco. You can fit your Legos on there. My granddaughter's been getting into Legos a lot. Boy, I tell you, those things are getting crazy. Crazy money for Legos. But yeah, this is the Brick King Trails. And you can put this together with all your Legos. So that is it right here. This is basically how the whole thing is. We're going to go through it. We're going to, like I said, I'm going to find all the Super Treasure Hunts. I'm going to find the regular Treasure Hunts. We have the mail-away cars. We're going to look for the exclusive cars, all the red, Target red cars, and all the, like I said, the store exclusives, the Walgreens, the Kroger's, Walmart, and anything else that pops up. So, all right, this is the gist of it. This is the whole package. Like I said, there are 454 vehicles in here. There's 50 new models, 15 treasure hunts, 15 super treasure hunts, 47 exclusive recolors, and the 7 of the special editions. So come back a little bit later. We will have more videos again, more episodes of all the different cars that are inside. All right. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Please share our videos. Please subscribe. If you subscribe, ring that bell. Click on that bell. You get notified of every new episode that we do. And that way you don't miss out, right? And also, please, be kind to one another. You know, that's the most important thing. I've been hearing all kinds of crazy stuff about people getting, all upset with each other again. And it's a hobby. Let's have some fun, all right? So till the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV. We'll see you guys real soon. You guys take care, all right? Bye-bye.